Feast your eyes upon its sparkly glory. So I guess you could say we're somewhat of an entrepreneurial family. My wife, she's more of the crafty, creative one. On the side, she runs somewhat of a boutique on-demand t-shirt business. But with two little rugrats running around, she's pretty choosy with the projects she takes on. However, she is in the midst of adding a new product line, and that is turning one of these into something like this. Now, I'm not delusional. I know no one's going to buy a Froggy Flips tumbler. I was just her practice round, and I love it. She is currently working on getting production times and supply costs down. But if you're needing a custom project, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at Froggy Flips and I'll put you in touch with her. I just wanted to show off my new sparkly cup. Not to mention, it gives me a chance to shoot some epic B-roll footage, which surprisingly enough, is not called upon very often in reselling videos. Well, that's what I got for you. Comment down below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.